How to unread text messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media with other iPhone users via iMessage or with non-Apple devices via SMS or MMS. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. As you can see, there is a blue dot beside the unread messages. If there's no blue dot, it means that the message has already been opened and read. Find the messages that are already read. If you want to unread any message from here, then press and hold the message and tap on Mark as Unread. You will now see a blue dot beside this message. Following these steps, you can easily unread text messages on iPhone.